U MP kaseng Kongres uban Tura Saleng Sangma le weri ki menteri langba ki Jylla badru ya ki MP jong ki pratali ki Jylla ka Thain Shatei la Mihngi ban Iatylli lang ka wei ban penbore ka soka ban khmi bnya Halor ki mat ki be dei bat ka nehu bat ka jinglong jingman ha Manipur u Sangma ula kantho ya ka jingbam ai jubab ka soka pedeng Halor ki jing jong ka Thain u Sangma ula Kyntu ru ya ka president ka ri ka Draupadi Murmu ban tuklar Halor ki tei ki mat.
Look at Manipur. Lots of people are dying, but yet they have not addressed it till now. And Nehu, it seems like they don't bother about it. So that's why we are pushing hard. All the MPs from the northeast are concerned about it. They are not only concerned about the Nehu, they are concerned about the border area. They are concerned about the Manipur also. So likewise, I believe the government from all state from the northeast, the chief minister from the northeast should combine together and then address this particular situation seriously. Otherwise, the mainland, they don't bother about the northeast. We should be together in this particular, not only in this, any situations that might arise in the northeast, we should be always together.